Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E32s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable dark theme, and schedule it. Next you can change color palette, enable or disable night light, and also schedule it and adjust its intensity. Then you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, you can swap buttons, change colors of the display between natural, saturated, and adjust color temperature. Then you can change screen refresh rate between auto 60Hz and 90Hz, adjust font size, display size, set screensaver, enable or disable peak display, lift to wake, 3-finger screenshot, and in the end you can manage lock screen preferences like privacy, add text on lock screen, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.